All right, it's 6:30 in the morning, so math. I broke it down 80-20. Now, and this is the total for the day. So with the other things. So if I had 80-20, 12 ounces total for the day would be 1322 calories, and that would be 6 ounces. Split in half would be 6 ounces. So 93%, 24 total ounces is going to be 1,400 calories. Chicken, 24, 14. Loin, 16 ounces is 14. Pork steak, 14 ounces is 14. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to make everything in half servings. So then no matter what half I grab, it would be half of approximately 1,400 calories. So I could grab a 6 ounce of 80-20 and 12 ounces of 93, and it's still going to be around 14. And the reason why I did this is because if I do 13, then it's closer, and then it's probably going to end up being like 6.2, 6.3. So it's going to be more anyway. But yeah, so that's what I'm looking at. I just want to show you. So I'm going to do my servings as half of the day.